Hi, good day. Welcome to the Sisani Tube.
To tutorial number 4 in SolidWorks Surface. In this tutorial I am going to use the Revolve surface tool. So let's make a sketch. And now let's make a center line for revolving. So let's activate the Revolve surface tool, and as we see, it is automatically revolve the surface around the center line, as we see here, line. And also we can choose how much the angle of revolving and the direction of revolving. So now I can close this tutorial and see you in the next tutorial.
If you like more videos, please like, share and subscribe.